Hi parents, I am SP Zawalkar from Creative English School, Beard Road, Nipani, Aurangabad. Friends, I am in the education field since last 40 years. My experiences are very wide, vital and important too also. Whatever I have observed in the 40 years span, I have drawn some conclusion about ideal parenting. What this ideal parenting is? Are there some rules for parenting? Yes, obviously, we have some rules developed. What those rules are? So, if we follow those rules, what will be the better result? What will be the excellent result for your words? So, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बच्चों को भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा कि 7 दिन ये पेरेंटिंग के ऊपर सर के लेक्चर हो जाएंगे, उनको ऑनलाइन या यूट्यूब के ऊपर छुट्टी मिलेंगी. बहुत अच्छी चीज है. इन एजुकेशन योर स्कूल इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, योर टीचर्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, स्टूडेंट हिमसेल्फ इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आर द पेरेंट्स. So, I want in education process of learning or in the process of learning in education your offsprings words parenting is important and vital part. So today I'll start speaking on parenting and obviously I will focus on 7 golden rule of parenting. How many rules? 7 golden rule of parenting. And every day we will take one rule only. So, but what are the 7 golden rules which I try to design? Number 1, not to compare your children with others. Number 1, do not compare your children with others. Identify your words or children's strength and nurture them. Motivate them, inspire them. Third, give quality time to your words. We should have to give the sufficient amount of time for them. Fourth, have unconditional love with them. Have unconditional love with them. Fifth, be role model before them. Your behavior must be ideal. Your qualities should be fine, cultured. That is, be role model before them. Sixth, spare rods. Mean don't punish them. Don't scold upon them. And keep the promises. Parents, today we will not learn almost all 7 rules. We will interact, we will discuss only on one point. That is, don't compare your children with others' word or others' children, and especially in public place. What are the consequences of it? There are very, very bad consequences of it. So don't compare your child with other child, because it can take your word to the depression. कभी के बार हम बोलते हैं, क्या वेदिका तुम और गौरी दोनों सेम क्लास में जाते, दोनों सेम स्कूल में जाते, यू स्कोर्ड 70% मार्क, she scored 90% mark. ऐसा कंपेयर कभी नहीं करने का। उसका नतीजा इतना बुरा होता है, बच्चे आपके सामने दे डोंट टू डेयर टू क्रॉस यू, टू आंसर यू और टू जस्टिफाई यू, मगर अपने मन में अपने खुद को खाते रहते हैं। और फिर उनका जो मेंटल ग्रोथ होने का है, दैट डजंट ग्रो प्रॉपरली। सो डोंट कंपेयर योर चाइल्ड with the others. Every child is unique. I always tell, every child is unique destiny. There is a special strength in them. And if you have to compare, if you have to tell the good things about them, have the appreciation about them, so it will motivate, it will inspire them for learning more and more. Even if you will find there are some behavioral changes when you appreciate them in the public, or even if at the home too also. So motivation is the one part, and especially among the parents, father generally go to on his duty. Mostly mothers are at home. Of course, mothers are very kind-hearted. They know better how to take the nice care of their children. But I'll suggest them कि most of the mothers have got the time and they criticize about the careers of their children. They start comparing their children with others. So please stop it, and I'll cite some of the examples. What are the results of comparing the children with neighbors or with others carries the bad effect. So for the good effect, I'll give some tips in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice and great day.